Hi guys, today we're gonna play Grow a Garden with my sibling again, part 3. Part 3, okay. So now, this is my sibling's garden. It has grown a lot. It has 6 likes, bro. And I already have 5 likes. I don't know how did he get that. I also have a bug egg. I need to wait 5 more hours to unlock my bug egg. I also have a golden lab because because he can give you some seeds. And even sometimes even some rare seeds. But commonly it's just gonna give you some carrots commonly. Oh guys, also I have the rarest plant, Ember Lily. Yeah, I have Ember Lily. And I have a beanstalk right here and a beanstalk right over here again. I have 2 beanstalks. Oh, my sibling. Oh, he has okay, he has grapes. I also have grapes. It's so long. Yeah, it's so long. I still have my big coconut tree. I love my big coconut tree. Yo. Bug egg. You bug egg. What about the cosmetics? Ooh, classic gum. Great. Oh, I kinda like. Oh. Okay, please I'm lucky. Please I'm lucky. Nothing. I did not said I'm unlucky. I said please I am lucky. I did not said please I'm unlucky. I did not say that. Also guys, I have a favorite tool but it's all empty. Because I favorited my mushrooms and some of my bamboos. Hey guys, look at this. Perfect entrance, right? Honey torch, honey walkway. Leads to this. Okay, it leads to this. To those guys. The 3 kings. I mean queen. They have honey barrels here. Okay. I have so much rose. I'm being so unlucky. On the spins. Yeah, I'm being so unlucky on the spins. No, I missed the swarm event. Okay. What? Oh, honey sprinkler stock. Hovers nearby plants in honey last 1 minute. No. I just wanna buy this. Okay, what? Pink lily! Lily, okay. Please, I got sunflower next. Let me get sunflower next. Blob. Okay. Not bad, not bad. But I still hate Foxglove. Okay, so where should I plant my pink lily? I have so much strawberries. I'm gonna remove all of those. And plant my pink lily here. As you guys can see, I have 70 billion shekels. Million, not billion. I love those things. Purple, the honey, no. Egg. I want to sell this. And this is my sibling's garden. It has grown a lot. See? By the way, bro has a broken umbrella that fall. Oh, a chilling place. This is my sibling. Bro has a honey. He also has a chili pepper. Okay. Back to part 2. At the part 2, my sibling's garden is so bad. But now it has grown a lot. It's become a jungle. With dragon fruits. Wait, I cannot believe it. Bagay is yung stock, guys. Yeah, guys, bagay is one stock. There's a 1% chance it will be the dragonfly. And I hope I can get the dragonfly. I really want dragonfly so much. Ooh, I thought it was gold. Guys, I'm gonna show you the power of lilacs. This is why I love lilacs. Let me show you the power of lilac. Okay, here we go. The power of lilacs. Boom! 1 million. 1 million shekels. Okay. So I have a lot of. If you want to win this, all you gotta do is just like and subscribe. All of those. Wait, I also have a frozen sunflower. If you want to win this, all you gotta do is just like and subscribe. Only for beginners. Okay, only for beginners. Those are only for beginners. But if you are an old player in Grow Garden, and if you want it, and if you still want it, all you gotta do is just like and subscribe, and comment what do you want. Okay. Comment what you want. The most rarest one is the sunflower. This is the most rarest one. And it's even frozen. Oh, see. Let's see what's on stock. Yo, Ember Lily is on stock! Yo, Ember Lily on stock! Guys, I'm so lucky! Guys, I'm so lucky! Guys, I can't believe this! Guys! I got a second Ember Lily! Look guys, look guys, look guys. I got an Ember Lily. And another Ember Lily. I'm playing right next to my sibling. Where should I plant my Ember Lily? I guess I'll just save it. I'm just gonna look for some space. Okay, so guys. What's my sibling doing? Oh. What's he gonna do? What about here? Guys, I'm so lucky. I cannot believe it. Guys, I cannot believe it. Guys, I really cannot believe this. Ember Lily on stock. I can't believe it, guys. I'm so lucky, guys. If you want my luck, all you gotta do is just to like and subscribe. What? I got wet dragon. I'm gonna collect this. I'm gonna sell my dragon fruit and my wet sunflower. I'm not gonna ask how much this is worth, but it's worth a whole 400. Okay, so guys, I have pets, 4 of them. I'm still not gonna end the video, but I think I'm gonna end the video now. I still don't think. I think my sibling is panicking because of the Ember Lily. Yeah, I think he's panicking. He wants Ember Lily so bad. But if he did not catch up with the Ember Lily, I'm just gonna give him sometimes an Ember Lily. I just can't believe it. That Ember Lily is on stock. Okay, guys. I don't know why dragon fruit have a hole on this. But okay. My sibling's gonna sell. Look at that apple. The rarest pet in all time is not the queen bee. It's the disco bee. Look at that. Only for limited times. Let me. I'm the pet salesman. Show me pet info. Pet of the bee. What is this? Common egg 99% of shops. Uncommon egg 54% of shops. Rare egg 24% of shops. Legendary egg 12% of shops. Mythical egg 7% of shops. And bug egg, the rarest one of all, 3% of shops. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna end the video now. I'm just gonna wait for my sibling to come in my garden. I can still help him. Okay, so guys, I think my sibling is busy. So I'm just gonna end the video here. Wait, stop teleporting. Okay, so guys, if you wanna watch more of my videos, all you gotta do is just like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to win one of those. And just comment what you want for them. What you want in them. So see you soon at my next video. Bye!